We're gonna start this whole competition.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Did it go? Yeah. So, right now I'm putting the butter in and it's softened. So that way it doesn't stick.
You need to melt the butter
and
the chocolate.
Cut it right here. And we need 3 ounces. It actually says how much ounces are on each square. Oh my god.
You okay?
Be careful, Cole. Yeah, I'm fine. Sugar and vanilla extract. 1 egg.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna put 2 of these in here. 2. Here we go, 1 teaspoon.
I definitely feel like mine's coming out bad.
2.
I need a lot more mixing because I just added it in.
Oh, it smells super chocolatey. It smells really good. Make sure I got them buttered so they're all good. The sides a little bit. I know if the cake is done if it looks not wet on top anymore, and a regular cake looks when it's baked. It's risen a little bit. It's not dry, but it's baked on everywhere else except for the middle. So it's like lava when you cut into it.
It's good. It's very warm still.
It is.
It's very good.
Sort of.
The outside was nice and crispy. The middle was moist, but this one had a more of a lava feel to it.
I thought Noelle was gonna win, but I actually won. I feel really good. I feel like I impressed myself.